Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Stellar tokens from Crypto.com to your Tangem Wallet in 2025. With crypto evolving so fast, securing your assets has never been more important, and this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, let's dive right in. First off, before we begin, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need your Crypto.com account set up with Stellar tokens, and your Tangem Wallet app installed on your phone. It's 2025 now, so double-check that both apps are updated to the latest versions for smooth transactions and enhanced security features. Step 1. Open the Crypto.com app and log in with your credentials. Use two-factor authentication for extra safety. It's a game-changer in preventing hacks. Step 2. Once logged in, head to your portfolio or wallet section. Find Stellar in your list of assets and select it. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer out. Tap that. Step 3. Now, switch to your Tangem Wallet app. Generate or copy your Stellar wallet address. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to copy it accurately to avoid any mix-ups. Step 4. Back in Crypto.com, paste the Tangem Wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to transfer, and don't forget to check for any network fees, they can add up. Step 5. Review everything carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, verify the tokens in your Tangem wallet. Congrats! You've just secured your Stellar. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.